Listen. Your sister Lux is here. It's growing. It's glowing. It's about to level up, right? Maybe that's how we feel. Or maybe we're just starting the process. But really, how do you know when your locks are like mature, fully mature? Are they still a kiddo? Are they a teenager? Like, where is it? So, sister, if you want to know, as they would call it, if you're in your maturing era, these are some things that you are going to look out for. So the first sign is that your locks will feel a lot thicker, right? Way thicker than it was before. Like for mine, it feels super thick. Um, and if you guys can see, this is one lock. For me personally, I wanted thick locks. I didn't want thin locks. Um, but this was perfect. But when I just locked it, it looked really thin, and I was like, "Oh, this is too small," kind of thing. But guys, I didn't know the process. I didn't know it had to mature, and it has matured. Right? For me, for my hair, it took about a year or a year and a half to fully mature. Let me know for you if you have locks, how long it took to mature. For some people, it's faster. For some people, it's longer. Depends on the type of hair you have. All kinds of different things, right? But yes, one of the main things to look out for is your hair gets thicker. It feels a lot more full. The part that I don't really like right now is the weight. I don't feel the weight like this. So when I wash my hair, I now feel this excessive weight, which I don't really like. But that's the only thing as it relates to, but that's how I know mine have matured and things like that over time. And then the other thing, guys, is outside of the volume, you get like the real volume when you do like a ponytail. Guys, this is my ponytail and I love it. Even hair at the front, because I know sometimes it will get puffy if it's too thick, but it's been fine. See, I can catch it up. But I don't really catch up my hair like that anyways. Now, I didn't know this because when I just locked my hair, it wasn't really frizzy. But as it matured, it frizzed a lot. Like even now, when I go to like retighten, I don't know if you guys could really see it, but my hair frizzes a lot. As I wash my hair, it goes into frizz mode. They do have like anti-frizz shampoos, but I don't really use those. But frizz just means it's maturing. So enjoy it, embrace it, right? The frizz is good. It's not as bad as I thought it was in the start. So frizz is good, guys. When you see it looking all frizzy like that, it really just means that the hair is kind of meshing together. So it's all coming together just to make it stronger and thicker. So remember, guys, frizz is good. The third sign that your locks is maturing are those reties, honey. Yo. Currently, for me, if I go to retie my hair, it's wash and retie. It takes about almost 6 hours, 5 hours and 50 minutes to be exact, right? So that's a whole day. Just bring your books, your pencils, your editing tools. Just know that you're going to be there for a while. And then even during that retie, you'll realize, or even preparing for it, even when you wash, you won't have as much slippage. You won't have any of those things happening once it is that your lock is mature. So of course, in the beginning stages, you have to like baby them, nurture them, take care of them so that they can grow and blossom into the hair that you want. Okay? So all that excess care that you took when they were new, you don't have to do it when they mature. So even when you're washing your hair, you don't have to do the ends and tie the ends and all of that. It's good to still do it if you want to, but you don't have to anymore. So that's all good stuff. Now the fourth way to know that your lock is maturing. I don't know if you guys remember like that first stage where I remember like the girl was like no water. Guys, if you know me at that time, I had just started my first YouTube channel, which was about adventure and the rivers and the beaches and stuff like that in Jamaica, and I was like, okay, no water. So I had no beach. Well, I did go to the beach still. I just didn't go in the water and get my hair wet. because I wasn't about to have any slippage. And you all have to also remember the price of slippage, because you pay to lock your hair. If you get slippage and you have to pay to do it over, it's not very cheap. So I wasn't about to get that happening to me. And so I protected it at all costs. Every time you saw me when my hair was just locked, it was braided, as in it was in plaits, it was braided, or it was in two, like cornrowed in two, but it was always braided somehow. It wasn't let out, always braided. Now it's always let out because it's mature, like me. Now, another way to know that your lock is maturing is like the budding and sealing. You start to see it along all of it, right? You see where it starts to kind of form and actually close. It's not as open. I don't know if you guys can see my lock well. Let's try it. Right? But once you see that, so you get the seal tips also. Before, when I just did my locks, it had like a loose look at the end, so it was still able to pull out. But now the ends have fully like locked, like they sealed. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah. Guys, this one is just different. Once your hair is mature, you can do so many different styles, no heat styles, right? You could your braid outs are a lot thicker, they have more body. Your curls also tend to hold a little longer. If you do updos and styles like that, you get a lot more body at the top. Sorry guys, you know I be recording with my little one, so you might hear her every now and then, as per usual. But yes. So now your hair is no longer giving extra vibe, it's giving main character vibe. Okay? So yeah, embrace it. And then for this one, a lot of people don't believe me when I say it, but honestly, the sister locks for me has helped a lot with my confidence. I don't know. I just feel like it has added a lot to me and my personality. If anyone knew me from before, I always like twisted my hair. So my hair would have this kind of look, but not this much body and not this much length. And so I love it. I embrace it. It makes me feel a lot better. Because you know, with natural hair before going out, you had to like comb it and all of that. With the sister locks, I could just spray it, let it out, go out, and I still feel comfortable. Like I feel like my hair is presentable without having to put in all that extra work. So for me personally, I feel like Sister Locks was the best decision for me and my hair and where I was on my journey. As I told you guys, I now have two kids, and so I didn't want to have to deal with my natural hair per se. So I preferred if it was in this style. All right, so let me know how long it took for your locks to mature. If you love your locks right now, what stage are you at? Is it fully matured? Is it like a baby? Is it like teenager phase? Teenager phase is maybe like 6 7 months in, I'll say, right? But if this video was helpful, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment and let me know. All right, so see you guys in the next video. Keep it locked.